Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be doing a what's in my bag with my newest bag, my Gucci Soho Disco in the color Peonia Flower. I'm also going to be doing kind of like a review because I've had this bag since I think January or February, I'm not sure. But I will link the unboxing I did down below. I love this bag so much. So if you want to see what I keep in here on a day-to-day basis and my thoughts on this bag, do I think it's worth it, all that jazz, please keep watching. Okay, so this is no new bag to the world. This is one of Gucci's probably most popular bags. It's very popular here on YouTube. I don't tend to see this bag too much out and about. And where I live in Atlanta, I don't know why. I tend to mainly see the more recent Gucci bags, or Chanel is really big, but I like what I like and you guys know that. So the main reason why I purchased this bag was because I needed a large, smaller crossbody bag for everyday use. My favorite crossbody bag is probably my Louis Vuitton Eva clutch, which I will insert a picture here. But I really like that for like evenings or when I go on vacation. If I'm going on vacation, 9 times out of 10 I'm bringing my Eva clutch because I can use it if I go out at night to the club or a bar, but I can also use it during the day because it has a longer crossbody strap that is detachable. But the only problem with that is it's very thin, and so you can't fit much in it other than phone, keys, wallet, lip gloss. And a lot of times when I go out of town on vacation or just day-to-day, sometimes I like to vlog, so my large camera can't fit in that bag with all my other essentials. So that was kind of the main reason why I needed this bag, and because I'm trying to diversify my collection, which I will show you guys later on in the year. And a lot of my collection is Louis Vuitton. I really love Louis Vuitton, but I'm really trying to diversify my collection, so I kind of switch it up and have more than just one designer because I like more than Louis Vuitton, but it's just that's what I gravitate to more. So I needed this bag, and honestly, since getting it, I probably use it at least 2 weekends out of the month. On Fridays mainly because that's casual Friday at work, and I just feel like this bag is everything. It's so comfortable, it's squishy, it's all leather, it's very durable. I love that it's pebbled because you can get scratches in it and they'll still be superficial. So it does have this really nice tassel on it, which has a little bit of weight to it. Here is the detailing on that hardware. It has gold hardware and a long adjustable crossbody strap, and I keep mine on the longest setting. Now, one thing that I will say about this bag is, as I just picked it up, it's something that I deal with. If you have this bag sitting on your lap or in your car and you go to grab the straps to pick it up, sometimes it flips over, which is annoying if the bag is left open. So that's something that I would just be mindful of. And the reason why that happens is because the straps are attached basically at midway up the length of the side of the bag. So it can either go one way or the other, right side or upside down. I think if they were to put the strap a little higher, you wouldn't have that problem, but then you wouldn't be able to open the bag as wide as you do. So it's kind of the catch-22. It's just something to be mindful of. So I usually try to keep this bag zipped when I am out and about. On the back, there's no pocket or anything. So let's get into what's in my bag. In the inside, this bag kind of has like a linen or raffia or like espadrille material inside, and it is light beige. It has one slip pocket on the back, and then it has like a cell phone or accessory pocket on the other side. So let's go into what's in my bag. The first thing that I'm pulling out is my cell phone. Of course, everybody always has their cell phone with them. This is the iPhone 7. And this is a Native Union case that I got from Amazon for like $6. I love it. Next, I have some Icebreakers. I always try to have mints with me. I'm one of those people, like, I have to have a breath freshener. Even if you don't need it, someone else might be in need. Next, I have my taser. You guys know that I keep this in every bag. People are crazy. I can't deal. I don't like people in my space. I don't like people invading my space, shall I say. So you always gotta have Sally. This is Sally, and she comes with me everywhere. And that's another thing. Sally can't fit in my Louis Vuitton Eva with all my essentials, but Sally can fit in my Gucci Soho Disco. So that's why this bag is everything. Then I have my license and my debit card, which should be in this pouch, which I'm pulling out now. This is, let me zip it up. This is my Louis Vuitton Monogram mini pochette, my favorite mini accessory. Now, when I showed this in my Louis Vuitton SLG collection video, which I will link down below, I discussed how I wanted it to use mainly as a cosmetic pouch in my smaller bags because it's very thin. And the Louis Vuitton cosmetic pouch, which I don't have up here with me, it's wide at the bottom and then it tapers, so it's shaped like a triangle, and that can't fit in this type of bag. So that's what I use this for. But right now I'm using it for a cosmetic slash catch-all. So in here I would have my other two cards. I have a credit card and I have my business card, my work credit card. I have a $20 bill, never have cash. I have this lip gloss, which I have on over a lipstick. This is Chanel Glossimer in number 179. Really pretty pink with no shimmer. Then I have some keys. So I would usually have my Louis Vuitton 4 key holder with me in this bag or in this pouch. But I had to get that repaired 2 days ago at the Louis Vuitton store because my button was wearing off and one of the key fob things broke. I think when I get that back, I'm going to remove my hot stamp and sell it. So if you're interested in a Louis Vuitton 4 key holder in fuchsia for a discounted price, let me know down below, because I am going to sell that because I love it. It's a cute piece, but I told the guy, I was like, I can't keep coming back into the store every 6 months to get something repaired and not have a piece that I need, that I use daily, for like 2 months. So that's why my keys are out. But I have my work key, my house key, my car key, and then 2 more office keys. I'm not quite sure what those are, but they're keys for work. And then I have my Jack Black lip balm, my favorite lip balm ever. And then lastly, I have a piece of gum. So, and that was all that I had in here, but this little baby can actually fit a lot, which is why I love it. I'm honestly so happy that I finally pulled the trigger and got it, because when I say this piece is useful, it's really, really useful. So like, that's everything. But look how much space I have. Oh, not my lip gloss. Like, I can literally, if Sally wasn't, oh, Sally fits in here. Sally might make it a little distorted, but it does fit if you needed to put something very wide in there. Okay, so let's see what else I have in my bag. I have a hand sanitizer. You guys know that I'm a germaphobe. These are the Purell Naturals hand sanitizers with the pumps, because I just feel like those are so handy. I have some medication. I have a pink pen, which needs to be not in here because it's a clicker and I don't want to mess up my bag. I have a paper clip. This is not a paper clip, a binder clip for work. And I also have some floss, which I took from my friend. Well, actually, he gave it to me last time I was at his house. And that is everything that I keep in my bag. I just have that binder clip left in there. But let me pack everything back in here and show you how much space was still left in the bag, because even when I put everything in here, there's still a fair amount of space. So this is everything that I had in my bag. As you can see, there's still a lot of room on top. There's some room on this side, and there's also room in that mini pochette. So if I wanted to, I could put the camera that I'm filming on in here, which is what I would do if I were on vacation. So let's see, anything else I can say about this bag. I love this bag so much. I'm so happy that I finally pulled the trigger and purchased it, because it's one of my favorite bags. Like, I would say if you're starting a designer handbag collection, this is an essential. A lot of people tend to go for more new trendy bags, but I just think you can't go wrong with this bag. For the price, it is a little steep, but it is an all leather bag. I did purchase this from Fashion File, so I got it pre-loved, and I paid around $730 for it, I believe. $700 or $730 or $750. But that's a great deal, and it was in very good condition, and I just love this bag. I don't have to really like baby it because it's all leather. It's not anything that's too delicate. I love it, and I kind of wear this bag as a neutral. I know a lot of you are probably surprised because more often than not you usually see me wearing black, and a lot of my bags are neutral or black, but I feel like because this is like a darker pink, it's not something that's too bright, I can definitely wear this with what I have on now and wear it as a neutral. I think it works, and then it also works with all of my actual neutral pieces. So I hope you guys enjoyed my what's in my bag slash review of my Gucci Soho Disco. This is honestly one of my favorite bags. If you were on the fence about it, please go look at this bag if it's in store, but I would say try your luck on the pre-owned market. They probably have Gucci groups on Facebook because I know I'm in a couple of Louis Vuitton ones, but also go on Fashion File because they have a lot of different colors that I guess were seasonal that you won't find on Gucci's website. So if you guys have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.